Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up here my fingerprint on the fingerprint scanner just a couple of seconds ago. As can you see, I just can unblock the device with my finger. So now we'll just check how fast this feature is on your device and how useful the fingerprint scanner is on our Motorola G71 5G. I'll make like 5 simple tries to unlock the device by this way, and we'll see the difference between all the times. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As can you see, the fingerprint scanner is so fast. It's really fast. So I just make like these tries, very simple, just touch of the fingerprint scanner. And I think that if you just like to use some methods to unlock your device, like the fingerprint or the face recognition, I just suggest you to try the fingerprint scanner unlock. And I just think that's really fast and useful feature to unblock your device. But be sure that here your fingerprint scanner, also like your fingers, they are cleaned to unblock your device just successfully and more fastly. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.